Call Andrew Bailey.
Thank you, Mr Speaker. And it's a pleasure just to talk briefly on this new bill that's been introduced to the House today. Mr Speaker, this is in a long line of taxation bills before the Finance and Expenditure Committee. We're a hard-working committee. We're looking forward to looking at this aspects of this bill, Mr Speaker. I just want to highlight that it's got 4 very important points. First of all, it does deal with the issues that John Sherwin made in his report. We are addressing them, and I can't wait to have a proper debate about that, not some of the rubbish I've been hearing this afternoon. Secondly, it deals with the Inland Revenue's Business Transformation Program and introduces 3 aspects related to that. Thirdly, it implements the G20 OECD automatic exchange of information. Again, a very important part of continuing the transparency that New Zealand's well regarded for. And lastly, of course, Mr Speaker, it introduces 16 measures relating to allowing businesses to pay their tax in a much more easier way, doing away with many of the use of money provisions, and also introducing this pay-as-you-go scheme. Mr Speaker, this is a great bill, and I'm looking forward to it.
As a point of order, the Honourable Judith Collins.
Thank you, Mr Speaker. I seek leave of the House to correct an answer to question number 8 that I gave today, please.
Leave is sought for that purpose. Is there any objection? There is no objection.
Thank you, Mr Speaker. Today, during question 8, I was asked when I was last in the far north, and I gave the answer as July. It was, in fact, the 17th of June, and I could also have said the 15th and 16th of April this year.
Thank you. I'm calling the Honourable Clayton Cosgrove.
And Mr Speaker, just to deal with that last aside, I'm sure the people of the far north were very grateful